to show you how to make the best mac and cheese. And quite frankly, I got like this because of macaroni and cheese. And KFC. Truth be told, we normally use cheap cheese. This stuff that I'm using is a little expensive. If you only got cheap cheese, use that. I cannot stress how important trying to get a tin of evaporated Carnation milk is. It makes a big difference in the flavor. I mean, you could use other milk, but hey, not milk, use cream. Here's Niko's lazy tip for how to cook macaroni. Boil the water, throw the macaroni in, bring it back to a boil, stir it up, close the lid, turn off the pot. Leave it sitting there for 25 minutes. Stir it halfway. Depending on what you feel like eating, you could add more veg or less veg. That's up to you. And if you don't like them big chunks of veg, you know what else you could do? Grate it. And that way, it'll be smaller. Or you could put it in the food processor and then you don't have to worry about it too much. And if you know anything about Bahamian cuisine, olive oil didn't feature until quite recently. So do not use olive oil in this. For God's sake, this ain't no time for margarine. You gotta use butter. Oh Lord, please don't just depend on the salt and the cheese and the flavor in the cheese. You gotta add some salt and pepper. At this point, if greed getting the better of you, you're just hungry, you could stop and eat this now. However, if you add the egg and the milk, like I'm about to show you, and let it bake, and let it get nice and brown and caramelized, you'll really love it.